In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip6 and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Files from Google Developer. When it's ready, launch it, select Continue, tap on this switcher next to Allow Permission, and last but not least, select Downloads category. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. To access one, click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!